I miss my Shockwave Megatron. I miss him a lot.
What?
They all belong to me.
What is he doing? He's into Mario's Madness. What the fuck is a Mario's Madness?
Starscream, you picked Mario!
You pick Laurie!
You can't stop me, Optimus. I have 5 million power in Rise of Kingdoms.
From the screen to the ring to the pen.
I think we're gonna have to kill our leader, Shockwave.
Damn it.
Wow, that's so logical. Shit, Lovely, I've come to make an announcement. Megatron is a bitch-ass motherfucker. He pissed on my fucking wife.
Ray pass cool, Soundwave. Soundwave, I'm dying. Please stop beatboxing.
Soundwave superior. Megatron inferior. Cool it now. You got to cool it now. Oh, watch out. You're gonna lose control. Cool it now. You gotta slow it down. Slow it down. You're gonna find it. You fool. I have 1,000 different other accounts on Twitter.com. You will never find out my name. What the fuck is that Starscream's dick? Oh my god, it's N from Mario's Madness. I found you, Faker. What the fuck is an M6? Everybody knows Mario is cool as fuck, but who knows what he's thinking? Who knows why he crushes turtles? And why do we think about him as a family, as we think as the mystical, probably non-existent Dr. Pepper percentage? I believe it was Kant who said experience without theory is blind, but theory without experience is mere logical play. Mario exhibits experience by crushing turtles all day, and he exhibits theory by stating, "Let's go! Keep it up, baby!" When Mario needs his place of safety to stop a turtle, he knows that he may die, and yet, for a man who can purchase lives with money, a life becomes a mere store of value, a tax that can be paid for, much as rich men feel any love with a fine is a price. We think Mario is a hero, but he is simply a 1% of a more privileged variety, the lifetime percentage.